Mr. Kumar used to love his morning walks. He enjoyed the fresh air in his garden. He loved playing with his grandchildren. But a deep, constant pain in his hip started to change everything. At first, it was just a small ache. He thought maybe he had just walked too much. He tried to ignore it, hoping it would go away on its own. But the pain did not go away. Instead, it grew worse with each passing day. Soon, every step felt like a heavy burden, a sharp reminder of the problem that was stealing his joy. The pain became a constant companion. It was there when he woke up in the morning. It was there when he tried to sit and read his newspaper. It was especially bad when he tried to climb the stairs in his home. His world started to get smaller. He stopped going for his morning walks. He couldn't bend down to tend to his beloved plants in the garden. The happy laughter of his grandchildren asking him to play with them now brought a feeling of sadness, because he knew he could not join in their games. He felt trapped in his own body, a prisoner of the relentless pain. His family watched him with worried eyes. They saw the happy, active man they loved become quiet and withdrawn. Simple things, like putting on his own socks or getting out of a chair, became huge challenges. He needed help with tasks he once did without a second thought. The lack of independence was difficult for him to accept. He started to feel like he was losing a part of himself. The frustration grew, and he began to worry that he would never feel normal again. He longed for just one day without the constant nagging ache in his hip. The nights were often the worst part. Finding a comfortable position to sleep was almost impossible. He would toss and turn for hours, the throbbing pain keeping him awake. He would wake up feeling tired and even more sore than when he went to bed. The lack of sleep made his days even harder to get through. He felt exhausted all the time, both physically and emotionally. Mr. Kumar knew he could not continue living like this. He and his family decided that it was time to find a real solution and seek professional medical help. The search for help began. Mr. Kumar's family asked friends and searched for the best doctors. They heard many good things about a special place. It was Dr. Dilip's Ortho clinic in Singaperumalkoil. People said Dr. Dilip was a very skilled and kind surgeon. They said he helped many people with problems just like Mr. Kumar's. Hearing these stories gave Mr. Kumar a small spark of hope. Maybe this was the answer he had been looking for. He decided to make an appointment. He felt a little nervous, but also a little excited. Walking into the clinic, Mr. Kumar felt a sense of calm. The staff greeted him with warm smiles. They were gentle and patient as they helped him. When he met Dr. Dilip, he immediately felt at ease. The doctor listened carefully to every word Mr. Kumar said. He asked questions about the pain, about how it started, and how it affected his life. He looked at Mr. Kumar not just as a patient with a bad hip, but as a person who wanted his life back. Dr. Dilip's caring manner made Mr. Kumar feel safe and understood. Dr. Dilip explained everything in simple words. He showed Mr. Kumar the x-rays of his hip. He pointed out why there was so much pain. The joint was worn out, he said. Then he explained the solution, a hip replacement surgery. He described how the surgery would remove the damaged parts of his hip and replace them with a new artificial joint. He assured Mr. Kumar that this would take the pain away and help him walk properly again. For the first time in a long time, Mr. Kumar felt that a pain-free future was truly possible. The care at Dr. Dilip's Ortho clinic was wonderful. Before the surgery, the nurses explained what would happen. They answered all of his family's questions. They made sure he was comfortable and not scared. The whole team worked together to prepare him. This kindness made a big difference. Mr. Kumar went into the day of his surgery feeling confident. He trusted Dr. Dilip and his team completely. He knew he was in the right place with people who genuinely cared about helping him get better and return to the life he missed so much. The hip replacement surgery was a success. When Mr. Kumar woke up, he felt sleepy, but he noticed something amazing. The deep, grinding pain that had been with him for so long was gone. There was some soreness from the operation, of course, but that old familiar ache had vanished. He was carefully looked after by the nurses at the clinic. They checked on him often, bringing him medicine and making sure he was comfortable. Their gentle and encouraging words helped him feel positive. He felt so thankful for their kindness during these first important hours. A day or two after the surgery, a big moment arrived. It was time to try standing up. Mr. Kumar was nervous. He had not stood without pain for months. With the help of a nurse and a walker, he slowly pushed himself up. He put a little weight on his new hip. It felt strong. It felt stable. He took a small step, then another. There was no sharp pain. A huge smile spread across his face. Tears of joy filled his eyes. He was standing. He was walking. It was the beginning of his journey back to freedom. Soon, it was time to think about the next stage of his recovery. Dr. Dilip explained that the surgery was only the first part of the solution. The second part was just as important: physiotherapy. He told Mr. Kumar about a wonderful physiotherapist nearby, also in singaperumalkoil. His name was Dinesh. Dr. Dilip said that Dinesh physiotherapy would be the perfect place to build strength and learn to walk with confidence again. He emphasized that working hard with Dinesh would ensure the best possible result from the surgery. Leaving the clinic, Mr. Kumar felt full of hope. The excellent care he received from Dr. Dilip and the entire clinic staff had given him a fantastic start. He was no longer the man who was trapped by pain. He was a man on a mission to recover fully. He held on to the referral for Dinesh physiotherapy like it was a treasure map. It was the map that would guide him through the final part of his journey. He was ready for the challenge and excited to meet the person who would help him complete his transformation. Mr. Kumar's first visit to Dinesh physiotherapy was another positive step. Dinesh was friendly and full of energy. He had already spoken with Dr. Dilip about Mr. Kumar's surgery. This teamwork was very reassuring. Dinesh understood exactly what needed to be done. He created a special exercise plan just for Mr. Kumar. The plan started with very simple and gentle movements. The goal was to slowly wake up the muscles around the new hip and improve his range of motion without causing any strain. Dinesh was patient and encouraging every step of the way. The physiotherapy sessions became a regular part of Mr. Kumar's week. At first, the exercises were challenging. His muscles were weak from not being used properly for so long. But Dinesh was always there to guide him. A little more each day, he would say with a smile. He showed Mr. Kumar how to do each exercise correctly to build strength and balance. Slowly but surely, Mr. Kumar saw progress. He could lift his leg higher. He could stand for longer. His confidence grew with every small victory in the physiotherapy clinic. The teamwork between Dr. Dilip and Dinesh was key to his success. The doctor had fixed the joint, and the physiotherapist was teaching him how to use it perfectly. Dinesh would provide updates to Dr. Dilip on Mr. Kumar's progress, and they would adjust the plan as needed. This connected care made Mr. Kumar feel completely supported. He knew he had two experts working together for his benefit. This gave him the motivation to work hard, even on days when he felt tired. He was part of a team, and they were all working towards the same goal. Today, just a few months later, Mr. Kumar's life is completely transformed. The pain is just a distant memory. He is back in his garden, tending to his plants. He takes long, happy walks every morning. Best of all, he can chase after his grandchildren and play with them without a second thought. He is strong, active, and full of life again. He is so thankful to Dr. Dilip for his expert surgery and to Dinesh for his brilliant physiotherapy. Their combined skill and care gave him back the life he thought he had lost forever.